Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. New news from BGIN, which is the parent company of IceRiver. They are in the final stages of a brand new ASIC chip, and it is going to be a Bitcoin mining ASIC. So I've found some more information on this. Let's go ahead and dig into it in this video. First, if you don't mind, hit the like button. It really helps a lot more than you know. Follow me if you guys like this kind of content, and let's go ahead and get into it. Real quick from the sponsor of the video, Terra Hosting. They have straightforward pricing, 8.2 cent electric rate, 99% average uptime, which I can attest to because I've been a customer of theirs for years. They do not do curtailment. They built a brand new, beautiful facility in Indiana. High security, no public access, redundant internet and security, dedicated power infrastructure, custom portal access. They use AI to help track your miners. This is a white glove hosting service with a very good electric rate. So if you're looking for a very solid, reputable hosting company in this crazy crypto world that we navigate every day, look no further than Terra Hosting. I've been relying on them for years with my ASICs, and they have never let me down. So check out Terra Hosting. There's a link in the description. Use that link. You can fill out a form, tell them what you're looking for, and they'll get back to you. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So if you guys haven't heard of BGIN Blockchain Limited, they are the parent company for IceRiver. They literally just started trading on the NASDAQ a few days ago, which is huge news on its own. But they are producing new chips, and they are at the forefront of technology development for ASIC chips. You guys know when, I hate to say it, but some manufacturers blast out really fast new ASICs, they kind of tend to get crushed by IceRiver a few months later. Like there'll be a new algorithm for an altcoin, and a few months later, IceRiver's got just a better chip, more efficient design, and it kind of makes the other ones obsolete, if you know what I mean. So I'm wondering how this new Bitcoin ASIC chip will go. They are at a critical point. They have what's called the tape out finished. So it means that it's going from a hypothetical design to a approved design that's going to go to the manufacturing process now. So it's a huge milestone. They're calling this the BT1 series mining machines, specifically designed, as I said, for Bitcoin mining. So when are they going to launch these? They are saying that it is slated for early 2026 launch. So I'm assuming Q1 2026, sometime January, February, March, April, something like that. So they are expanding into the Bitcoin market. Now, if you guys watch my channel, you know that I already announced this at Mining Disrupt earlier this year. So many months ago, if you guys are a subscriber to my channel, you already know that IceRiver has planned for Bitcoin miners and script miners. So if you guys didn't know that, check out some of my earlier videos earlier this year from Mining Disrupt. Bitcoin miners and script miners, they have been in the works. So these plans are coming to fruition now. So in the next few months, you will see further announcements on my channel. You will see new Bitcoin miners coming out. So there's new competition, and these are new chips. So I'm assuming that they'll be more efficient than most of the things that are out right now. The KS7 IceRiver Caspa ASIC was able to achieve 30 terahash per second, which is very competitive. It's like the only one that's better than it is the Bitmain KS7. I think that one's 40 terahash per second. A lot more money though. So IceRiver's prices are usually very competitive for the hash rate and efficiency. So anyway, this is very exciting. So BT1 series, I don't know if they'll ever release. I would love to see like a 0 series so we could solo mine because they're super efficient. The 0 series, I like the form factor, but they're saying it kind of joins their other series like the KS series, AL series, RX series, AE series. So I don't know if they will do like maybe a BT0. That would be awesome. I would love to see that. But I guess we will find out more as time goes on. So hopefully this information was helpful to you. I will leave a link to this article in the description so you guys can read the whole thing. I didn't want to read the whole thing because I've kind of already summed it up for you. So you guys can look into it further if you want. But for now, we're going to be seeing hopefully early 2026, brand new IceRiver Bitcoin miner called the BT1. And we'll find out more information about it when IceRiver decides to release it or BGIN decides to release it. So follow my channel, subscribe, like the video if you liked it, and I'll try to find out more information about this and get more videos out to you as quick as I can as soon as I find anything out. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good. The greater